How to fix any hanging or crashing apps on Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you're also facing such issue where your application is simply not working or hanging or crashing, so in that case what you might want to do is, so in this example I'm showing this Minecraft launcher, which is a game application, is not working correctly. So in that case, just head over to your, close the application for now and just head over to that particular search bar and just search in for that particular application or games which is not working, and just click on their app settings. Once you open its app settings, you will be redirected to this page over here. So now you just have to wait for a few seconds and simply scroll down all the way, and you can see there is a terminate button. Simply click on this terminate and should fix. And you can also try the option called repair or reset if the app is not working. And finally, you can also uninstall the application and reinstall the application. So after you do all of that, your issue should be fixed once and for all. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.